Struggling with AI fever? Here's how to get your mind right. Ever feel like you've caught AI fever? You've been up late, testing prompts, jumping between tools, chasing that perfect result. But you're just getting more frustrated. You're not alone. Most people rush into AI like it's a magic vending machine. But here's the truth. AI is only as good as the mind using it. Calm the mind. Step 1. Master your mind first. I know that sounds deep for a tech conversation, but hear me out. When you're stressed or impatient, you type faster, but you think less clearly. Your brain is in react mode instead of create mode. AI feeds on clarity, so if your mind is scattered, your results will be too. Before you touch the keyboard, pause for 30 seconds. Breathe. Clear the mental clutter. Then start. Clarify what you want. AI is not a mind reader. It's a mirror. It reflects the clarity or the chaos that you bring to it. Ask yourself, what's my goal? Who's my audience? What format do I want? Instead of, write me a blog post. Try, write a 500-word blog post for small business owners using a friendly tone with 3 action tips. Mini exercise. Right now, think of one thing you want AI to help you with. Write down your goal in 1 sentence. Then write down the format and the style. That's your clarity blueprint. Explore before you build. Don't try to build the skyscraper before testing the bricks. Start small. Test short prompts. Explore how AI responds. Refine as you go. Treat it like a conversation, not a one-shot wish. You'll start to see patterns in what works and what doesn't. Assemble your perfect AI application. Once you've explored, then you can assemble the best application for your needs. Maybe that's a content creation system for your business. Maybe it's a research assistant that preps your reports. Maybe it's a personal coach that keeps you accountable. The magic is in the workflow, linking the right prompts, right tools, and your own unique goals together. So remember, 1. Master your mind. 2. Clarify what you want. 3. Explore before you build. 4. Assemble your perfect AI system. Do that, and AI stops being a toy you tinker with and becomes a tool you trust. If you want my free prompt clarity blueprint to get you started, type Calm AI in the comments, and I'll send it straight to you. And if this was helpful, share it with a friend who's drowning in AI overwhelm. They'll thank you later. Title: AI Fever? Let's fix your mindset, your prompts, and your results. Live. Who here has caught AI fever? Be honest, drop A in the chat if you've been up way too late testing prompts, switching tools, and still feeling me about your results. Pause. Look at chat responses. Yep. See, you're not alone. And today, we're gonna fix it. Not just by giving you better prompts, but by rewiring the way you think before you even touch the keyboard. Step 1, and you might roll your eyes at this, is to master your mind first. If you're stressed, rushing, or desperate for an answer, your prompts will be rushed too. AI feeds off your clarity. A scattered brain gives scattered results. Quick exercise. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. Take a slow, deep breath. Now tell me in the chat, how do you feel? Calmer, more focused. That's the state we want when we prompt. Step 2. Clarify exactly what you want before you even type a word. Don't say, write me a blog post. Say, write a 500-word blog post for small business owners in a friendly tone with 3 actionable tips. Live chat challenge. Right now, type 1 sentence in the chat about something you want AI to do for you. Be specific about the goal, the audience, and the style. I'll read a couple out loud and show you how we turn them into winning prompts. Step 3. Explore before you commit to building your whole AI system. Test small, play with short prompts, see how the AI reacts. You'll start spotting patterns fast. Let's do it live. Someone in the chat, give me a quick request. We'll feed it to AI and tweak it together so you can see the process in real time. Once you've explored, then you assemble your perfect AI application for your goals. It might be a social media content engine, a research assistant, or a customer service chatbot. The magic is linking the right prompts to the right workflow. In the chat, what's the one thing you'd love to automate with AI if you could? Let's brainstorm together. So your AI fever cure is simple. 1. Master your mind. 2. Clarify your goals. 3. Explore before you build. 4. Assemble your perfect workflow. Do this, and AI stops being a frustrating experiment and becomes a business partner you trust. If you want my free prompt clarity blueprint, type Calm AI in the comments right now, and I'll send it to you after the live. And tag a friend who's drowning in AI overwhelm, because no one should be losing sleep over bad prompts.